This is a PDRN face mask and it was gifted to me by the brand. And what I like so far about this one is that you can use it two different ways depending on what your skin needs. The formula contains PDRN along with shea butter and bisabolol. Together, these ingredients are designed to deeply nourish your skin and just support your overall skin barrier. So the texture is really lightweight and milky, so it doesn't feel like one of those super thick, heavy type masks. So let me show you what it looks like. You can see it's very lightweight. As you work it into your skin, it gradually absorbs, and it absorbs really nicely. So like I mentioned earlier, there are two ways that you can use this. You can use this as a traditional rinse off mask. So after cleansing, you're just going to apply a generous layer over your face and your neck. You're going to leave it on for about 15 minutes and then rinse it thoroughly before finishing the rest of your routine. Or my favorite option, and what I typically do, is use it as an overnight sleeping mask. So you're going to apply it as the final step of your nighttime routine. Spread it over your face and your neck. Let it absorb fully while you sleep. The recommended use is about 2 to 3 times per week. And this is designed for all skin types, including dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, and combination skin. And I love products like this because honestly, sometimes my skin is oily and then other times I wake up and I'm like, oh, my skin is so dry. So it's really nice to have a product that just kind of covers all of my issues. This would be a great addition to your evening skincare if you want something hydrating, but also don't want something complicated, because this gives you that extra nourishing mask step without adding a lot of work. It's super easy to apply, has lots of great skincare ingredients, and it can support all kinds of skin types. So this one is definitely one I'm going to keep in my rotation.